Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to remove Gmail account from other devices. Sometimes we log into different devices with our one Gmail account, so we might need to just delete one or two devices from it. So to do that, just head over to your Gmail. And here make sure you have logged into your desired account, then go to your profile by tapping the top right icon. And here go to manage your Google account. And here you have to scroll to the left and go to security. Scroll down until you find the option of your devices right here. And here just tap on manage all devices. Here you will find all the sections that is going on with your Gmail account. Like there are so many devices that are logged right in. So if I just tap on in here, so if I just want to remove this device from my Gmail, what I will do is tap on sign out. And here this layout will appear. You have to just tap on sign out right here. And once you do it, your account will be removed from your Gmail account or that device. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.